Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, here is an informative tutorial highlighting some of the key differences between Python 2 and Python 3 along with code examples. Python 2 and Python 3 are both widely used programming languages, but they have some differences that can affect the way you write code. Python 3 was introduced as the successor to Python 2 with various improvements, new features, and syntax changes. As of this tutorial, Python 2 has reached its end of life and is no longer officially supported. In Python 3, print is a function and requires parentheses around the arguments. To replicate the Python 2 behavior of integer division, use // in Python 3. Python 2. Strings are ASCII by default unless specified otherwise with U prefix for Unicode strings. Python 3. Strings are Unicode by default. Python 2. ecrange generates an iterator and is memory efficient for looping over a range. Python 3. ecrange is not available. Range behaves like ecrange from Python 2. Python 2. raw_input is used to take user input as a string, and input evaluates the input as Python code. Python 3. Input behaves like raw_input from Python 2, and there's no raw_input. Python 3 introduced several changes compared to Python 2, aiming for better consistency, clarity, and robustness in the language. When transitioning code from Python 2 to Python 3, these differences need to be considered and addressed to ensure compatibility. It's essential to understand these variations to write code that works across both versions or to migrate Python 2 code to Python 3 successfully. Always refer to official Python documentation and use conversion tools like 2 to 3 for automated conversion when migrating code from Python 2 to Python 3. Remember, Python 2 is no longer supported, and migrating to Python 3 is highly recommended for ongoing support and security updates. ChatGPT